Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today we'll be doing how to do macros in Excel. First, I'll teach you how to make a macros in Excel. So for that, I have the codes here. First code is to protect all worksheets. Second one is to unprotect all worksheets. Third is unhide all rows and columns. And fourth is unmerge all cells. So what I'll do, I'll press Alt WM, or even I can go here manually by going to view and then going to macros and then pressing this view macros button. First I'll give the macros name protect. This is for protecting all my worksheets with the password. Go to create and then I will copy all this code into this window. Control C, I can do it Control V over here. So this will give me my code. There is some error in this macro, and sub is in duplicate, so I will make it one only, and this is for the command. And then now I will save it. This is saved now. The macro is saved, and now I will run this macros. Go to macros, view macros, and then run this macros. So this all the cells of all the worksheets are now protected. So I can't edit any of these. One thing I can do is I can, for editing, I'll go to review, I'll do unprotect sheets, and then I'll type in this password, which is password only, so I can edit this. Another thing I can do is I can make a macros for unprotecting all the sheets. This is the macros to do that. So I'll make another macros called WM. I go to view macros. I'll give a name unprotect sheets to it. Unprotect. Create. I'll do Control V. I'll remove all the duplicate stuff. I'll save it. So this has been unprotected by the password thing. So I'll run the macros of protect. I'll run it. This is now password protected. So I'll again run the macros of. This is what I'm doing. I'm doing a shortcut of Alt WM to reach this macros thing. This is a shortcut for macros. So I haven't protected it now. So I'll do unprotect of this now, so that I can edit it. Unprotect sheets is a macro for it, and I'll press run now. So these are now unprotected. Okay, similarly I will do it for unhide. First I'll hide some columns and then show you how this macro will unhide all of these. These are hidden now. So I'll make a macro. Firstly I'll copy this stuff on my clipboard. I'll do Control C, and then I'll make a macros for unhiding all rows and columns. I go to create, I'll press Control V, I'll remove all the duplicate stuff. I'll press Control S. This is saved now. I'll close this window and go to the same macros and run it now. Unhide.
So F, G, H were not there earlier because I had hidden them, and now these are displayed because of the macros running on it. Similarly, I will merge some cells and then Alt H and C shortcut for it. So copy all this thing of unmerged cells, and then I'll go to Alt, I'll go to view macros, make another macros, unmerge, and go to create. I'll do Control V, I'll remove all the duplicate stuff. I'll press Control S. This is saved now. So I want to unmerge this column. Anything in my in all the worksheets it will be unmerged by this only this macros. So I'll run it. All these are now unmerged. So you can make macros through this. Okay, and you can run the same macros by going to view macros, going to the macros you want to run, and then press run. The macros will be running them. Okay, and the next thing is how to edit a macros. So I'll go to the macros and simply press the edit button on the right word here. So I'll be able to edit the same macros. So if you want to make any change in it, you can do that by doing this. And one more thing, if you won't be able to save it in this simple Excel, so you need to save it in another format, that is macro enabled Excel. Simply go to save as and save it in Excel macro enabled workbook. So the macros will be working fine. Otherwise the macros won't be working fine and it won't be saved. The macros won't be saved, so you won't be able to run it the next time in your Excel. So this is it. Yeah, okay, so bye bye, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video. Bye bye.